Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert.
What if you could have a fully built, automated agency using AI that runs 24/7 without needing to code, hire a team, or build a website from scratch? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, in 2025, it's not only possible, it's happening right now. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how people are launching 5-figure AI agencies from scratch using a done-for-you offer by Extendly, a complete business in a box built for people who want to make money online fast. If you've ever struggled to start an online business or wanted something that's already done for you, this might be the smartest move you make in 2025. I'm talking about real people making real money with minimal technical knowledge, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it too. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos about making money online. Now, let's get into it. So what exactly is Extendly? Extendly is essentially a white-labeled Go High Level agency that comes pre-built and ready to go. If you're not familiar with Go High Level, it's one of the most powerful all-in-one marketing platforms out there, used by thousands of successful agencies. But here's the thing. Extendly isn't just giving you access to Go High Level. They're giving you an entire business system with pre-built snapshots and automations, onboarding funnels, workflows, and pipelines. Plus, you get a 24/7 white-label support team that handles customer service for you. The best part? It's built for non-techies and beginners. You don't need to know how to code or have any technical background whatsoever. Think of it like this. It's like buying a McDonald's franchise, but for online marketing, and way cheaper. When you buy a McDonald's franchise, you're not inventing the burger or creating the systems. You're plugging into something that already works and has been proven to make money. Let me tell you about Marcus, a real estate agent turned agency owner who hit his first $12,000 per month using just this setup. Marcus had zero tech experience. He was showing houses one day and running a successful AI agency the next. He didn't build anything from scratch. He simply plugged into Extendly's system, focused on finding clients in his network, and let the pre-built automations do the heavy lifting. Within 3 months, he had signed 6 clients at $2,000 per month each. That's $12,000 monthly recurring revenue. And the best part? He was spending less than 10 hours a week managing everything because the systems were already in place. So why does this work so well in 2025? There are a few key trends that make this the perfect time to start an AI agency. First, we're seeing a massive surge in AI interest and business automation. Every business owner knows they need to implement AI and automation, but most have no idea how to do it. That's where you come in. Second, most small business owners are drowning in tasks that could be automated. They're losing leads, missing follow-ups, and struggling to stay organized. With Extendly, you can solve these problems for them without needing to build the solution yourself. Third, by using these ready-made tools, you position yourself as the expert. Your clients don't need to know that you didn't build the system from scratch. They just need to know that you can implement it for them and that it works. It's like this. Imagine walking into a gold mine and someone hands you the pickaxe, the map, and the GPS. That's Extendly. The gold is out there. Businesses that desperately need automation. And Extendly gives you everything you need to extract that gold. Now, let's break down exactly what's included in this business-in-a-box offer, because it's pretty impressive. First, you get access to a snapshot library for various niches. This includes pre-built automation systems for real estate agents, med spas, chiropractors, coaches, and more. Each snapshot is designed specifically for that industry, with messaging and workflows that are proven to work. Second, you get custom branding with your logo and domain. This means everything looks like it's your own proprietary system. Your clients will never know you're using Extendly. Third, all the client onboarding and email SMS workflows are preloaded. This means when you sign a new client, you don't have to build anything from scratch. You just plug them into the system and it starts working. Fourth, you get a sales funnel and calendar integration. This makes it easy to schedule demos and consultations with potential clients. Fifth, you get a done-for-you website that you can customize to your brand. No need to hire a web designer or learn WordPress. And finally, you get 24/7 white label support. This means when your clients have questions or issues, they don't come to you. They go to your support team, which is actually Extendly's team working under your brand. Let me give you a concrete example. Let's say you sign up a med spa client for $1,500 per month. You plug them into the MedSpa snapshot, customize a few messages to match their brand voice, and Extendly handles the rest. This automatically follows up with leads, books appointments, sends reminders, and nurtures existing customers. Your client sees more bookings and more revenue, and all you did was set it up once and collect your monthly fee. So how do you actually reach $10,000 per month with this system? Let me give you a simple roadmap. First, you need to price your packages correctly. For most niches, you can charge between $997 and $2,500 per month. This is significantly less than what a traditional marketing agency would charge, but because your overhead is so low, your profit margins are still excellent. Second, pick a niche to focus on. It could be chiropractors, roofers, gyms, real estate agents, whatever you're most comfortable with or have connections in. Focusing on one niche makes your marketing more effective and allows you to become an expert in that specific industry. Third, use platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, or even Upwork to find leads. You can run simple ads targeting business owners in your chosen niche, or you can cold outreach on LinkedIn. The key is to offer a free demo or consultation where you show them exactly what you can do for their business. Fourth, run demos showing the automations and results they can expect. This is where Extendly really shines because the platforms look impressive and are easy to demonstrate. Show them how leads will be automatically followed up with, how appointments will be booked without anyone lifting a finger, and how they'll get more reviews and referrals on autopilot. Fifth, focus on closing just 5 clients at $2,000 per month. That's your $10,000 right there. And because Extendly handles the onboarding and support, you don't need to worry about hiring a team or working 80-hour weeks. The process is straightforward. Find leads, run demos, close deals, set up the snapshot, and collect monthly recurring revenue. Rinse and repeat until you hit your income goal. Now, let me be clear. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. You still need to put in the work to find and close clients. But the difference is, you're not starting from scratch. You're not building the systems, hiring developers, or figuring out the tech. You're focusing solely on sales and client acquisition, which is where the money is made. I've seen people go from $0 to $10,000 in as little as 60 days using this exact system. And once hit $10,000, scaling to $20,000 or even $50,000 becomes much easier because you have case studies and testimonials to leverage. So how do you get started with Extendly today? It's simple. First, visit the Extendly offer page. The link is in the description below. Second, choose the business-in-a-box plan that works for your budget and goals. Third, book your onboarding call with the Extendly team. This is where they'll help you set everything up and answer any questions you have. Fourth, access your agency dashboard and get familiar with the platform. They provide full training, so don't worry if you're not tech-savvy. And finally, start signing and serving clients. Use the strategies I outlined earlier to find leads and close deals. This isn't just software. It's your opportunity to finally build a freedom-based business without starting from scratch. No coding, no stress, just execution. Imagine waking up to notifications of new clients signing up, payments being processed, and positive feedback coming in, all while you were sleeping. That's the power of having an automated AI agency. And the best part is, once you have a few clients and systems in place, you can run this business from anywhere in the world with just a laptop and an internet connection. So if you're serious about making money online in 2025, click the link in the description to get access to the Extendly Business in a Box and start your AI agency today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos about making money online. And if you have any questions about Extendly or starting your AI agency, drop them in the comments below and I'll personally respond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.